Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke. In today's video I have something special for you. I am going to host another giveaway. So one of my PR companies, Happy Life PR, sent me the 8 colors from the Catrice Gold Nail Effect nail polish like collection to actually give away to you guys. I had already purchased all of the colors myself, like when it just released, like in August. So I was like, what if I just do a giveaway with these polishes? So yeah, they kindly replied that I was allowed to do a giveaway and they sent me the polishes, and I am going to send these polishes out to the winner. So it was so nicely wrapped. I didn't want to disturb the packaging at all. It was so pretty with the gold bow and everything. So I'm just going to show you all of my polishes. So your polishes will be brand spanking new and not opened, of course. So I'm just going to show you all of the colors and a little swatch photo as well. So this is the first one. It is such a stunner. It's a beautiful red with gold and silver shimmer in it. These polishes are so extremely opaque. You only need 2 thin layers, and because it are metallic colors, they actually dry really fast as well. So I, of course, when I made the swatch and review video, which you can also check out by the way, if you're curious about the pigmentation, how they apply and all, I made some photos. So that's why I'm not going like in depth on all of the colors, because I already did a video. So check it out if you haven't seen that yet. But this second one is a beautiful light rose gold. It is so stunning. I've used it in a couple of my designs, like previous designs. So if you do want to check out all of the designs I made with these, you're more than welcome to do so. Then the third color is kind of like a muted gold. This entire collection is so shimmery, so sparkly, so beautiful. I love it so much, and I'm just really excited that I'm able to team up with my PR company and actually host this giveaway. The last giveaway I did was like my 10k subscriber giveaway, and I just reached 16,000 subscribers, so I felt like it was time to do another giveaway. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Then the next color is more of I think it's like a yellowy gold. A lot of beautiful gold, like a rich royal colors in this collection. There are 8 colors in total, by the way, so you are definitely receiving the entire gold effect nail polish collection by Catrice. I think it's also really cool that I was able to like host this giveaway, because I know that not everyone worldwide is able to get their hands on Catrice, like the nail polishes or the makeup. So I was like, this is like the perfect whole idea to actually give away this collection. So yeah, I really hope you can appreciate that as much as I do. So thank you, Happy Life PR, for actually sponsoring these polishes. So yeah, here you can see a swatch of the, I think it was the 5th polish, if I'm correct. Again, if you are curious about all of my swatches and just my opinion, like I'm really enthusiastic, really happy with them. I use them in a ton of videos. I'm going to use them in a ton of fall and winter designs as well. You can also do some stamping nail art with them. I actually used that rose gold color to do some stamping, but just look at the shimmer. Like when it's out of focus, you can truly see the shimmer and just the beautiful glitteriness of these polishes. I think this purple is really stunning as well. I know a lot of you really like purples. So there are like 2 purple shades in here, and this is the 7th color, but the 2nd purple. And I was actually wearing that on my nails when I recorded this video. So yeah, it is perfectly opaque in just 2 layers. Because they are metallic polishes, they dry fast, but they do seem like a little bit more liquidy. These polishes aren't like super thick, and that is something that I really love. Like, nevertheless, I know they are like thin in substance. They do have great coverage, and that is something you don't see very often in metallic shades like these, especially if they are a little bit more thin, a little bit more watery. I have to say they do apply like a dream. You don't need like super nail painting ninja skills or anything to actually apply these really flawlessly. The brush is also really neat. So yeah, I'm just really excited to actually give away these polishes to someone, maybe to just extend their nail polish collection a little bit, and I hope someone will win this which or who doesn't have much Catrice in their collection. But then, how to enter? I just wrote down all of the little rules. I really wanted to make it super easy for everyone to actually participate in this giveaway. The only thing is you have to be subscribed because it is like a subscriber giveaway. So be subscribed and make sure it's publicly so I can actually check if you are subscribed, if you are the winner. Then you have to be over 18 years old, or at least ask permission to your parents or like your guardians to actually enter this giveaway. Then you also need to leave a comment. Of course, you can always add a little thumbs up if you want to. It's not obligated. If you're a subscriber, like most of my subscribers are like kind enough to already give me a thumbs up, but it's not obligated. Also, in the comment, just leave something fun, something kind, why you want to win this collection, maybe where you're from. I'm really curious about that. And also leave an email address or an Instagram account so I can contact you if you are the winner. This giveaway will run throughout like till October 6th. So you have time from, let me think, 26th of September all the way through October 6th, which is actually my birthday. So I will be able to close it at the end of my birthday and actually pick a winner randomly, like via really random.org website, to pick a winner. So it really doesn't matter how long you've been subscribed or anything like that. Everyone can enter. It's really easy. You don't like really need like an Instagram account or a Facebook account or or anything like that on there. That's not obligated. Just be a subscriber, leave a comment, have some fun, and fingers crossed that you will actually win. But yeah, I really love to hear from you guys. Do enter. I think it's really nice, and I really hope someone who needs nail polish will win this. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.